Hello everyone. Now this is a problem of class 10th by chapter 3rd, linear equation into variable, and this is a very important problem and it is asked so many times in a board examination. So now the question is, a motorboat can travel 30 km upstream and 28 km downstream in 7 hours. It can travel 21 km upstream and return in 5 hours. Find the speed of the boat in still water and speed of the stream. So students, you have to first observe that what we want to find. So we want to find the speed of the boat in still water. So first we will let the speed of boat in still water is equal to x kilometer per hour. Similarly, the speed of the stream is equal to y kilometer per hour. So actually these are our answer. But now in this type of question, these are the speed of the boat in still water and speed of the stream. But boat is travel in a stream. With stream, it will be two cases, in upstream and in downstream. So first we have to write the speed of boat in upstream. So speed of boat in upstream will be x minus y kilometer per hour. And similarly, speed of boat in downstream, it will be x plus y kilometer per hour. Actually, upstream, boat travel against the stream, then the speed will be decreased, and in the downstream, boat will travel along stream. So now these are the speeds, and we have to make first a table. Now if we see here, in the first case, if we can see, in first case, 30 kilometer upstream plus time, 30 kilometer upstream plus time, 28 kilometer downstream is equal to 7 hours. And now what is the formula for time, distance, and we have know the relation. So this time is equal to distance divided by speed. It will be 30 divided by upstream speed. Upstream speed is x minus y. X minus y plus this is time in downstream. Downstream speed is x plus y. So it will be 28 upon x plus y is equal to 7. In this way we will find our equation, first relation between x and y. And similarly, if we see here, so the second case is time in 21 kilometer in upstream plus time in 21 kilometer downstream is equal to 5 hours. Is equal to 5. So again we will use the relation between time, speed and distance. So time is equal to distance is 21 divided by x minus y plus 21 divided by x plus y is equal to 5. So these are the two relations. In this way we will find the relation between variables according to given words problem. And after that, how we can solve it, we know it. Actually, the finding the equations between variables, it is very important. So now after that we know what we have to do. That will be, after it we will put 1 upon x minus y is equal to p, and 1 upon x plus y is equal to q, and after that we will solve it and find x and y after that. So we can solve after it equations, but the forming of equation is very important. So in this way we can find the equations, and it is very important. Thank you.